afternoon, Bucks. I'm Katie Lorenzen.
And I'm Corey Arbison, and this is WHKE News.
Final makeup for senior cap and gown and graduation. Announcement orders will be taken on Friday, November 1st during lunch in the McDonald's gym lobby. A $60 deposit is required to place your senior order. Please bring your order form filled out. Order now to avoid late fees.
Seniors can also order a class ring on Friday without a separate deposit. Design your ring at jostens.com. Juniors, it's not too late to order your class ring. Design your ring at jostens.com and bring your printed online order form, along with a $6 deposit on Friday, November 1st, during lunch.
Bowling tryouts will be held on November 6th. See Mr. Fuchs in room G201 in order to pick up your permission forms. All forms must be returned by November 1st.
CTE students and FBLA students will travel to Charlotte, North Carolina on December 6th to participate in the Charlotte Bobcats annual Career and Sports Day. Field trip money and forms are due November 15th.
A&T University will be in the College and Career Ready Center Tuesday, November 5th at 9 o'clock a.m. In order to be seen, you must already have an application on file. You may apply at www.ncat.edu.
Don't forget that the 2013 Miss Hokai Scholarship Pageant is coming up. If you plan on being Miss Freshman, Sophomore, Junior, or Miss Hokai, registration forms are due today. No exceptions. Drop by rooms M29 or M30 for registrations. Before or after school, contestant orientation will be held October 20th in room M30 at 4 o'clock p.m.
The plan assessment will be given to Hope County High School 10th graders on Tuesday, October 29th. The plan assessment can help determine if a student is college ready. It helps the students prepare for success on the ACT College Admission Test and helps students to qualify for college classes at Hope County High School. 10th graders, remember to bring your calculators for plan testing. Although it is not required to bring your calculator, it may be very helpful. Everybody wins by taking the plan test and doing your best.
Tryouts for girls basketball starts October 30th, 31st, and November 1st in the McDonald Gym from 4 to 6 p.m. You must have a physical on file. If you have any questions, see Coach Parks in the Gibson Gym.
This week kicks off our annual county-wide food drive, which benefits the less fortunate and needy families in the Hope County community. Trophies will be rewarded to the top 3 schools.
If every student brings at least one canned good and or non-perishable item, we could collect 2,000 donations very easily. Please make sure donations have not reached the expiration date.
Next Wednesday, October 30th, Spanish Club meeting after school, Ms. Hernandez's classroom, G807.
Now over to trending.
Hello, I'm Naquetta Davis.
And I'm Kiyoshi McLaughlin. And this is what's trending.
Have you heard about the rapper Ja Rule making his own microwave cookbook?
No, that's interesting. Well, today in trending, we're going to show you this cute, funny video of this baby in his LED light Halloween costume.
Hurry! Uh-oh, Daddy, she came up.
For more what's trending, visit yahoo.com. Now over to Emmy and Mario.
Today on Celebrity Birthdays, we have Katy Perry turning 28 and Sierra turning 27.
Also, in today's trivia fact, there's 293 ways to make change out of a U.S. dollar. For more trivia fun, visit mentalfloss.com. Now over to Romello.
I'm Romello Kirk, and today in history, in 1931, Al Capone was sentenced to 11 years in prison for tax evasion. And in 1973, John Lennon sued the U.S. government for wiretapping his phone. Katie, Corey, the jig's up. You're on next.
And now it's our time.
Well, I don't need Ja Rule's cookbook. My mom cooks for me.
Don't forget to follow us on Twitter at WHKE News. Have a great weekend.
Peace.